So today we're weeding here with the no-dig, and I want to share some of my favorite summer weeds that I love eating. This has to be my top favorite. It's amaranth, and this is a pretty noble version with big leaves. I would cook the entire stem of it, just chopping off the root bits. And this has the texture of asparagus later, which is lovely. So I'm going to show some of the others here that we have. This one here is called Pigsweed. They love coming up in summertime. In South Africa, we have a common name to call all of these maroch, but generally this is the one that performs the best in that wonderful mix of wild foraged herbs. These are particularly good because they're so high in iron. And when I eat this, I feel like Popeye himself. The others that I like a lot is this here, Purslane, Portulaca is its other name. Really high in vitamin C, really helps with energy too. And there's another one just on the far end here, the goosefoot, Chenopodium, a lovely little glistening leaf there. So all of these I'd be able to cook tonight by really just rinsing them and steaming them in the water that I've been rinsing them in. After just really short minutes, when they're wilted, I would just drain them and have some olive oil and a little bit of salt and lemon juice in it. It's perfect just like that.